Hello friends, this is Zoe. Look at here. That is 15 pieces 6090 mini sensor router. Okay, let me show you. And we customize this for our distributor. We customize, you see, color, specification, design, okay, and so on. Okay, let's get closer to know this machine. Okay, you see that spindle? That is 6 kW HSD spindle from Italy. That is a little expensive spindle, but very good, yeah. And look at here, T-slot working table, and some buttons, you know, Ethernet, emergency stop, power off, power on, dust collector, and so on. Okay, and auto lubrication system, and you see ball screw, a ball screw transmission on X and Y and Z axis, you know, X axis, Z axis, and Y axis, you see. Okay, 60, 90 braking size. Okay, you see this position put, you know, a touch screen, you see. Okay, you see screen, touch screen. You see that is a Weihong controller, you know. And you see here Yaskawa servo drive motor from Japan, yeah. Okay, and Mitsubishi inverter, electric inverter from Japan, and you see Schneider electric, very good machine. Yes. Oh, perfect. Yes, good.